Good morning, boys and girls. So I'm not at home today, I'm not in my house, I'm in a completely different country at the minute. First of all, don't mind the difference in my tan and my face, okay? A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. So I'm currently in Vegas with Motel Rocks, which I have no words. I've done 3 trips with Motel Rocks this year, and honestly they've been some of my favorite trips of the whole year. I absolutely love the brand, I love the girls, I love Rachel and Lauren. I always love that they're really small trips as well, like they're always so much fun. So yeah, we're currently in Vegas, which is absolutely crazy. Like I honestly can't believe how much travel I've done this year, and I'm so grateful, and it honestly wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you for supporting me and things. Not to get mushy, but still. So I'm currently getting ready. I thought I'd film a little 24 hours in Las Vegas with me so that you can see kind of what we get up to. I did actually start off doing a full like weekly vlog, but I think we all know that this is like me and I cannot commit to a full week of vlogging. So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging today because I feel like this is gonna be one of the most fun days of the trip. It's actually the last full day that we have. So today we've got a little bit of free time, so we're gonna go out and have a mooch and get some content, and then later tonight we're going to see Magic Mike. So I'm praying that you can film in there. But yeah, we're going to see Magic Mike, and then we will be going out afterwards, seeing as that it's the last night and we're flying home tomorrow. So I thought it'd be a fun day to do like a little 24 hours with me. Oh my god, I'm like partially naked, don't mind me. Okay, I put instant tan on today because I had a shower last night and I washed off literally all of my tan. So I've got on these Sally Hansen airbrush legs, which I don't mind wearing instant tan, but at the same time it's literally like 30 degrees outside and I'm kind of scared for myself, but I had no other choice. Okay, I've not got a foundation that's light enough for this. So you know what, it's actually not been that hot. Like it's been hot, but it's not been unbearable, because I was worried like after being in LA for 2 weeks when it was absolutely sweltering, like it was 40 degrees some days, it was ridiculous. I was stressing it was going to be like that kind of heat again here, but luckily it's been like not cold, but obviously not cold, but it's just been cooler. Oh my god. But yeah, this has been like my go-to eye look at the minute. So I'm wearing the Rodeo Drive lashes from Backstage Beauty, which I do actually have a discount code if you want 10% off. It's just I think it's Hanex Renee 10. Okay, so I'm just using a little bit of Armani and Shea Glow from NARS. I've just been kind of like mixing them together recently because honestly my skin's been so dry. Like I don't know if it's like all the flights and stuff or what, but literally like I've become a prune. So great, love that for me. I really want to curl my hair today, but like can I be asked? No. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. Okay, a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. Do you know what I was saying the other day as well? Vegas is like everything I hoped to be and so much more. I was kind of like, I didn't really know what to expect because I feel like I hear or like I see such mixed things about Vegas. Like some people saying it's like the best thing ever, other people saying like, I don't know, it's not what they expected it to be sort of thing. I love it here. There's music playing everywhere you walk. Like we've all said, like it actually feels like an adult Disneyland, even though I'm an adult and I still go to Disneyland. Oh, your girl is about to be caked in makeup today. Okay, didn't realize we were going to do such a heavy glam, but whatever. Okay, a little bit of YSL Touche Eclat powder. I need to be an ambassador for this powder. YSL, I'm putting it out there. If you want to like message me, email me, get in touch somehow, hi, I've got everyone on this powder. I feel like we all love it, so thank you. And then on the outside of my face I'm just using NW35 MAC just for a little bit of warmth and a little bit of extra like powder. Why am I sweating already? This is rude. And then I'm going to do a little bit of under eye. So I'm just going to blend. I'm using the Kylie palette if anyone cares. Okay, my camera's about to run out of space, so be right back. Okay, so this is the finished hair. Oh, hello. The finished hair and makeup. I actually had to rush that in the end because honestly, like, I don't know where the time goes, but it just disappears. So I just put on a nude lip and did the rest of my skin and then curled my hair. I'm just gonna nip to Danny and Soph's room because I need to pick up one of Danny's t-shirts because I've actually run out of daytime outfits, and I'm gonna give her one of my black dresses because we're literally like all running out of outfits at this point. We've all pretty much just got dressy shit. Okay, so I need to run this t-shirt dress to Danny. Oh my god, my hair's so curly. It's gonna drop out, so like don't mind that. T-shirt dress, got my camera because I'm holding it. I've got, oh, I've not got a necklace on. well, shit the bed. Let me just grab some mini hoops, baby hoops. I won't wear a necklace today because I can't be arsed, I've not got the time. Where is my bag? I need a bobble. Oh my god, suddenly like so rushed. Great. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I've not even flipped the screen around because I'm in that much of a rush. I've just got jeans on and then I'm going to swap this top. Hello. Hello down there. Okay, I'm just with Soph. Oh my god, it's completely see-through and you can see my nipples. Great. This is the top that I just picked up from Danny. So it's just like a little white crop top and then it's got, is that butterfly? Just like a little black butterfly embroidered. Yeah. Good morning. Just running back to like dump this top off. I'm gonna pick up my bubble gum. I've got this idea of a photo where I'm like blowing like a massive bubble. Oh yeah. So
I used to love bubble gum.
I know.
I want to try some.
You can have some. I got 2 packets because I was like, I want to try.
Oh my goodness.
But yeah, then we're gonna head down. Neither of us have had breakfast, so great.
I had 2 Oreos actually.
Okay. Well, all my Doritos were very much gone, so not that I wanted Doritos for breakfast anyway, but still. But yeah, we're gonna head down, meet everyone else, and then head to the motel. Thank you, sorry, Destin. I'm sorry, guys. My boobs are way too wet, please let me know.
Bring up the shadows of them anyways.
Yeah, okay.
It's a boomerang, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. 1. I mean, this is going to be a struggle, isn't it, boys and girls? Hello there.
Has anyone seen my tattoo yet?
No. Oh my god, okay. That's had a tattoo since we've been here, and I mean, it's very Vegas. What can I say? You're going to work it out. Oh my god.
Love you, mom.
Flexing, love it, obsessed. Actually came out, there was no regret. So we're currently at In-N-Out. It's always wild in here, like let's be honest, like it's never quiet. So we're just waiting to order. We're gonna have a little burger. We went out this morning and did some photos and stuff, and then I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the day.
Shopping.
Okay.
I might get
A little bit shopping. Ooh. Hello. Hello. Okay, so we've got, I've already eaten mine, but you got the same, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we've got grilled cheese, some chips, animal fries,
yep,
and then grilled cheese as well. What is actually on those? Is it like onion?
It's like onions and then like
little like sauce?
Yeah, okay.
So yummy. Okay, we're currently, I don't even know where we are. Where are we?
The Rock Bar and Grill.
We're at like a little, what would you do? Yeah, like little slushy, there's little washing machines with different cocktails in.
Jungle juice, strawberry and pina colada and vodka.
Apparently we're all getting extra shots because it's that time of the day, even though it's like, what time is it? It's 2:30 and we're all getting extra shots of vodka and tequila, so.
Like half 10.
It is. I feel like we need to like put ours together and just like, okay, so what did you get?
Strawberry,
Yeah.
Pina colada and antifreeze.
Ooh. How is it?
I can't breathe.
And then mine's jungle juice, pina colada, and a margarita. And we've all got big boots. Hello there.
Frozen marg and a
Just a straight frozen marg.
We're in Vegas now, baby.
Okay, so it's a couple of hours since we went out and got like the drinks and went shopping and all that good stuff. I've just topped up my makeup a little bit. I've not like redone it. I've literally just topped it up. I added a little bit more liner to my lower lash line. It doesn't look very good on camera, but I feel like it looks better in person. And then I just put a red lip on as well because I've got quite like a plain outfit on, so I thought I'd just mix it up a little bit with a red lip. So this Soph's camera. Oh my god, I literally just had to stop that and check the footage because I fully thought this is Soph's camera because my fucking screen's broke on this camera. Like it's like wobbling off. And Soph's does the same, and we literally keep getting our cameras mixed up, but that's the one reason, that's the one thing that we like can tell them apart because we've got the same camera. But now mine's fucking broke as well, so great. Yeah, this bodysuit is from a motel, and then I've just got a pair of jeans and I put trainers on because, again, I'm just not a heels girl, like I can't do it, okay? So we're going to I don't know what it's called, but it's a Mexican that also supposedly serves like really good margaritas. But to be honest, like I'm not really a margarita type of gal, so probably just gonna have some other cocktails. I've still got my boot of like that whole mix of cocktail. Like literally we all drank like half of them and then just couldn't do anymore. But anyway, I'm gonna head down. My hair's still quite curly, which is nice. I feel like it's dropped to like a really nice amount. I've not even shown you like the view and stuff from my room. So the pool is down there. I've not actually been to the pool once, I don't know why. And then this is pretty much what you can see. So that's the other side of the hotel. It's actually a really nice time of day. It's just been golden hour, so I was taking some selfies, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna head downstairs. Like I said, we're going for Mexican and then to Magic Mike, which I'm ready to get fucked up, so great. Not in that way though, just with alcohol, thank you. My nipple's about to come out, so we've gotta go. 3, 2, 1, cheers! Okay, we're out for dinner. Mine's just come. It is a fried chicken sandwich. What did you get? Oh, I feel like a lot of us have got chicken, and then we also got some little fried shrimp as well. Yeah, trying not to get run over desperately, and my lipstick is
Probably not ideal. Yeah, I need to reapply.
yeah, that's gotta be fixed right now.
How the hell am I supposed to get a minute? Wait a minute, guys. On the steps. Yeah, what was that?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
The place is swift. Steph's like, get me out of here right now.
Oh wait, never mind. Come on. Wait till I'll see you right on the drip drip, sell all the ship. Money make a drip drip, kiss the money lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you get slapped if you're looking out. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, like how they can fly. I mean, you're so shine, I'm loving your tie. You're like sticking to the guy with a thing on his eye. Oh, yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell me who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj and that's the producer. Back you up, but you're the producer.
Oh my god.
Great over here, best seat in the house. Everybody, wait, you? Yes, I'm a man. Then I'll tell you how I like it, sugar. Give it to me just the way I like it. 'Cause I'm a man. Yeah. Oh, hey. Did you just stick your finger up my ass? No, it's fine, just next time. Use more than one.
I came here tonight because I want to feel the village people in here. Whose idea of fantasy is this? Can't we just get a guy in a t-shirt and jeans? Oh my god, you're so hot. Okay, this one's gonna sound crazy, but I always had a crush on my high school gym teacher. Oh, hey Coach Anderson, hey.
For a special purpose.